class of optional mathematics for the class 10. So we are here to study the geometric means and their problem solving. Before starting the class, I would like to tell you, student, after this class we will be closing the sequence and share it, and especially the geometric means where my students, I have the experience, they get confused. So please try, don't only look the class or video, try by your own also, because these problems will definitely help you. Not only problems, the idea that I shared in my previous videos, that will definitely help you. And if you still get confused, you will get confused, no problem. Please don't forget to give the problems in my comment box. So now I am starting here the example number 4. Now a little bit tough. Remember, there are n geometric means between 1/4 and 256. So don't forget, this is series starts with 1/4 and ends in the 256, first term and last term. If the first mean, now first mean means after the number that comes after first term. First mean, the ratio of first mean and the last mean is 1:256. Find the value of n. N means, don't forget, when you solve the geometric mean, arithmetic mean, n holds only one thing, that is number of means. So you have to find number of means. So my dear students, now let's simplify here. What to simplify here is, so what are given there? First term, can you see there? First term 1/4, last term 256, and do you find any other thing there? Oh, obviously first mean is 2, last mean equals to 1:256, and n equals to what? Okay, my dear students, now we have to find the number of mean. But before finding that, let's use the condition that is given by the question always. In my previous problem, I used one condition, second mean is equal to something was given there. Now again one condition is added here, now I am using it. So by question we are given first mean is 2, last mean equals to 256. So now you should be able to interpret means in terms of first term and ratio. So mn is a dot r. Now mn is a dot rn. So don't forget, it has been told to you many times. Now a and a will be cancelled. So now we can make one equation, that is r equals to rn by 256. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Now this is first equation that we obtained from first condition. Again we have one formula to find out common ratio, that is r power n plus 1 equals to b by a. Don't forget this, r power n plus 1 equals to, now b by a means, look there, b 256 by 1/4. Don't forget, okay? Now Rn plus 1 means Rn into R. Laws of indices tells this. Now the 4 jumps to upper part, and now we have to write the multiplication of 256 and 4. So let's see how much we get. So we have to use calculator now. 256 multiply 4, so it is 1024. Now my dear students, again we will get one equation from the R, that is 1024 by Rn. Look here, okay? Again, so when these two equations are equal, what we can write here is 1024 by Rn equals to, the second equation gives us Rn by 256. Now what we can relate here is the by cross multiply 1024 into 256. So you will get 262144. Rn multiplies Rn is Rn square. So now this is square and makes this square root. So if we find the square root of the thing that we just obtained, so by the use of calculator, now the square root of 262,144, this is 512 Rn. So we got the Rn is 512, but still the n is missing here, my dear students. So we have to stop it because we should also get the value of r. Remember. So now let's bring the equation first now. Equation first. R equals to Rn by 256. Rn is 512 by 256. Remember, and it is 2. So R is 2 means now this is 2 to the power n. Remember. Again continuing from the previous one. So we can write 512 is equal to 2 to the power n. Now we have to make the power of 2 to the 512. So in what power we get? So you have to now find it. So we have to check from the calculator by which power. You have different ideas to check. So for that, let's check 2 to the power 8 we get or not. Power 8, 2 to the power 9 I think. 2 to the power 9 equals to 2 to the power n. So n equals to 9. So my dear students, it means there are 9 means between the numbers. So what I feel is this type of problems will give you the creativity power. So you have to go look what I need. I use the first condition, I use the formula of ratio, and I got this. And when I wait on the solutions, now I stop here because I don't have the value of r. Now to find the value of r, I again wait here because we can get it. Look, and by putting the value we got r, and finally we got the value of n. So this type of problem where you should be very much creative. Look, learning is one thing. You can learn, but until you apply it, then your creativity remains the same, closed. So these problems will, I think, definitely help you to get the creativity level up, and you have to look to your exercises because you will find definitely this type of problem if you go through the 10 sets, the previous SE collection sets. You will find this type of problem. So my dear students, I have best of luck for you, and let's now go to the final questions that to close the sequence and series. And I have one questions there. Now look, example number 5. So to the example number 5, we have one questions. Find the two numbers whose arithmetic mean is 25 and geometric mean is 20. Now by this question I am closing the topic. So try hard, read hard, and get some conclusion also by yourself. Now, so we have to find the two numbers. For example, let the numbers be A and B. So we have been using A and B most of the time in the sequence and series. Now, if you calculate the arithmetic mean of A and B, that will be 25. If you find the same geometric mean of A and B, that will be 20. Then what is the A and B? Okay, let's do what we know. So if you remember the arithmetic mean formula, look here, arithmetic mean formula is A plus B by 2. What is the arithmetic mean? 25. 25 is A plus B by 2. Now please first multiply it. 50 equals to A plus B by, A plus B, or 50 minus B equals to A. Now you have to agree it. You agree. Again we have geometric mean. Geometric mean equals to how much? 20. Geometric means AB rule. I hope you haven't forgotten it. A dot B equals to now square It's 400. Now let's bring it here. Or, so you have the A interpretation in the B. 50 minus B, and there is B equals to 400. Or 50B minus B squared equals to 400. Or 0 equals to B square minus 50B plus 400. Now look, my dear students, you have come to the conclusive quadratic equations. Okay, or 0 equals to B. Now make it first into last. 40B minus 10B plus 400. Okay, my dear students, 0 equals to B common. B minus 40 minus 10 common. B minus 40, or B minus 40, B minus 10 equals to 0. Either or B equals to 40 or 10. Now when B is 40, A is 10, or when B is 10, A is 40. So when B is equal to 40, A becomes 10. When B is equal to 10, A becomes 40. Therefore the numbers are 10 and 40, or 40 and 10. Understood? This is the last question for the geometric means. So by this we will close the sequence and series. Thanks for watching Red TV. Thanks for watching the classes serially. Have a great time. Thank you.